Hey y'all, I'm glad you made it. Today, we're gonna take it nice and slow. I'm having a picnic with my dogs. Join us. Isn't that good? Oh yeah, you like that. But we having a slow day. Come here, Rogie. Don't nobody want to see your butt. You're waiting for me to give you some more treats. Some more treats. Are you waiting for some more treats? Ooh, it's a slow day today. Slow day. Peace, y'all. It's a slow rolling day. It is. Peace. Love. And y'all turn around. Turn around. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Did I scare you? No, I ain't got no food. It's empty. It's empty. There's no food. Yeah, we were cooking. We were actually having a picnic. Come on, Lou. Lou, get up. Yeah, I'm surrounded by my friends. You know, a bunch of little puppies. Well, y'all gotta go. Clear yourselves. Trying to talk to the folks. Well, y'all gotta go. Let's go for a ride. You wanna go for a ride? I wanna go for a ride. Y'all, get out of my way. Clear yourselves. Go get this. Woo! Here it is. Woo-hoo. I'm tricking you, huh? You just want to eat the paper. Oh, you know how to say no. Yes. You're a funny dog. Funny dog and a funny old lady. Well, yeah, I have to peek by the dog, but yeah. Hello. If I can get around them. Yeah, they're trying to get my food, but it's gone. I already ate it. We had a picnic out here. It's a picnic. It's a nice sunny day. Summer day. Could you excuse me, please? Excuse me. Well, y'all, I gotta go. They won't let me talk right now. They want attention. So I gotta go. Come on, y'all. Yeah, come on. Come. Hey, come on. You wanna go with me? Wanna go bye-bye? Let's go bye-bye. I'm gonna splash you. Come on. Let me splash you. They didn't like that. Y'all want to get splashed? See y'all later. Peace. Now, you guys, this is a real neat place. You can come and stay. It's real cheap. It's cheap. Yeah, there's a place for everyone around here.
Yeah, but I'm glad there is.
It sure is. There's little bit of everything. Da 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 da. We're in the story,
I
y'all.
can't see through you.
Y'all don't forget to tune in. I have a lot more coming from you. For you. It's one of them days. Chasing that energy. Yeah, and messing with flowers. Flowers, birds, bees, and a lot of trails. Y'all, have a good day. Peace, love, and I'm gonna relax. I'm having a slow moving day. Slow. Yeah, I'm grounding. Push the like button. Subscribe. And get notified. Toodaloo. What are you growling about now? Gotta go. Y'all be y'all be cool now. And take it sweet and easy. See you tomorrow.